Hey guys, today I am going to be showing you the HTML basics that you can create a website on the internet or do what you want with it. It doesn't matter. But let's get started with this. First thing you're going to do, you can, if you're running on Windows 7, just go right here and type in Notepad or just open Notepad. And the first thing you're going to do, you're always going to set up your HTML document this way. Just like this. And title. The title is what the title goes up in your document. I'll show you right here. I'll just it doesn't matter now, but I'll just press Control O to open up your document. But I'm gonna have to save mine first. So save your document. So for the basic HTML thing, what you do is File, Save As, and then save it as whatever you want. So okay, as .htm, always .htm, tm, and save that on the. I'll just save that on the desktop. Now you go to the internet and just press Control O. Let's find the folder. Oh, it's on the desktop. If you save it on your desktop, there it is. Find it. Click open. It'll go to it. There won't be anything there yet because you didn't add anything yet, and it's not finished done with HTML yet. To finish this up, you have to put title, these tags for the title. After the title, you're gonna have to put the closing of the head, and then you're gonna have to put body, and then the closing of the body, and then the closing of the HTML. Just like that. That's how you're gonna set up your HTML document. Each time you set one up, just like that. And I'm just gonna press Control S to save, and then saved right there. Now I'm just gonna press F5. And see, it's my document's still there, and I haven't added anything yet. So now it's complete. So if I add the title, this is what will happen. Say title. Say you want to add Hello World. Control S to save. Press F5. And this changed. This is the title. The title of your document, or the title of the I don't know what you want to call this. The tab. In the tab. And that is the title of the document. The head. I usually add the head just down here. If you add H1, it will make it bold and make it bigger. 1 is the biggest size. You can go to H1, you can do H2, H3, so you can do H2 or whatever you want. But I'm just gonna leave H1 and I'm gonna type in something simple. What's up? And close off that H1, and then so that's that means heading 1. So then if you could save that, Control S, press F5, and then there it is. That's your header or head. And you can always add like simple tags. You can underline it. To underline, you just type in U, or if you want to type in italics, or if you want to even type in bold, and then just type it in the exact order. So put it back in the same order. And if you save that up, press F5. See, now it's italics, bold, and underline. All with those features, and you have to close those. And you can add in the body. So say you want to say hello and welcome to my webpage. You can also add these tags to it. The bold. You can also change the font color or font size or font type. So to change the font color, you're going to type in font color equals quotation mark blue. We'll type in blue and close that off. And then to end that, you're just gonna close it off with a font. Control S to save. F5, and see, that is in blue. That is in blue. To make links, again, this is just very quick, so if you have any questions or want me to make a longer video, I will. To make links, okay, this is a little bit harder, but once you know it, it's easy. So you're gonna press open bracket, you're gonna type in A space href equals quotation marks, and you're gonna type in the website. So say I want to go to Google, so I'm gonna type in Google. You're gonna type in HTTP, that's O, colon, or yeah, / www dot, and then your website. We'll just say type in one to Google. Put the end quotation marks, and it with a bracket, and then type in what this is. So Google, and close that off with an A. Press Control S and F5, and see right here, it's underlined and it's purple. So you click that, and it actually goes to Google. See? And I'm just gonna go back and see if it goes back. Yeah, it goes back. Okay. And then another thing you want to do is add an image. The image code is IMG SRC. So if you want to add an image, you're gonna type in IMG SRC. RC equals quotation marks, and then the image. Basically, you're gonna find an image. So if you want to go to Google here, it's gonna be good for this. And go to images and go. Don't click on full size image, but click on the website for the image and click on the image. So say you want to type in a Corvette. Type in Corvette or whatever you want, whatever picture. This is a good one. I'll click on this one. Don't click on full size image. Click on website for this image. Now click on and enlarge the image. Make sure you have to enlarge the images for this work. Now you just copy this link and paste it right here. You don't have to put quotation marks on this one, so I'll just get rid of those. And you can add the height and the width. So I'll add the height equals 200, width equals 150, and close that off with a bracket. Control S, and it should pop up here. And see, there it is. It's a little squeezed, but it worked. If you want to make it smaller, here, I'll just take this out here. Control S, and wow, let's see, it's a really big picture, but it went in there and it worked. That's to add images. The only thing you can do is change the font type, but I'll get to that later. Or you can change the font, again, the font color, which you just did, or the font size. So you're going to type in, to change the font size, you're going to put font size equals quotation marks. You can put whatever you want, but you're going to put plus, you can go up to 5, I believe. 5 or 6, one of those. You guys figure that out. Put plus, okay, let's do +4. And close that off and just say this size is, and the normal size is a 2, so this will be a 6. So this size is 6. And then close that off with a font. And see, it started there, but it ended because this picture's so big. So if you want to shrink the picture, just do that if you want to. Now it should be smaller. It's better. Okay, so then you can see that this is pretty big text. This size is 6, and it is pretty big. And you can basically, another thing you could do, if you want to align a text, let me just take out of this image. It's kind of really annoying now. If you want to, or say you want to, you keep typing. Say, I know, it's really stupid. I don't know what to type, but you just type in something. And if you want to see how this is all crammed together, you want to make a space, say right here, you want this part to go down here. Oh, that's really simple. So, the first thing you're going to need to do is make it like that. Like, press enter for that, and then type in BR. It has no closing tag. Just control save. And see, that goes down there now. Another thing for line, if you want to align this to the center, this is not in the center. It's close to the center, but it's not center. If you want to center that, just type in center. And then close the center. And go back. See, now that's centered. But if you want to make it on the very right, then you're going to have to put div align. So, say you want to put this to the right, you're going to type in div align equals quotation marks right, quotation marks, continue, and then close that off with the div. Control save, F5, and that goes to the right. This is just the basic stuff. If you have any more questions about this, let me know, and I'll get back to you with that later. Just save that, exit out of it. You're always going to have to save it as a .htm, just remember that. And see you guys later.